As soon as you become a member, you'll be taken to this page here, where you can start writing your first book. To get started, press Start Now, book in a click. Then you choose the name of your book. The book will be written based on the name of your book. You can also add an audience, number of chapters, and an optional storyline if you want to add to the information that the AI has to write your book. When you're ready, you press this button. Let me put in some demo data. Here's the demo data. The story is going to be called What I Did That Day I Was Invisible. It's for ages 12 to 18. I chose 100 chapters and I suggested a storyline of a normal girl aged 14 has a day of her life where she was invisible. Now I'll click Start Writing What I Did That Day I Was Invisible. Now I'm waiting for the contents page to be generated and shown to me, and I'll be shown each chapter being written one at a time. Let's have a look. Remember, the contents page should have 100 chapters just as I picked. Let's see. So here are the chapters that have been automatically generated. These will be all the chapters of the book. We'd selected 100 chapters, and so it's written exactly 100 chapters. Now we'll see how it writes each chapter. The amazing thing about this particular platform, and I've tried quite a few of them, is that this platform is repetition free, meaning it doesn't repeat certain things that happened in the story many times over. Other platforms sadly do this. Additionally, there's a plagiarism filter on this platform which makes sure the content is unique. Let's have a look at the content that's being written right now. What I did on that day, I was invisible. Now, as you can see, it's pre-formatted for a book format, so that once you take this content and put it into Word, it will automatically be able to create a table of contents. I'll show you how to do that in a minute. So it's currently writing chapter 1, The Worst Day Ever. So as you can see, chapter 1 is being written. Now chapter 2 is being written, and so forth. Once the 100 chapters of this book are finished being written, there will be a download box available up here. So please don't exit this page until the application has completed writing all of the parts. This is part 5 out of 102. Let me show you a demo of a book that's been written and how easy it is to format with Microsoft Word. And then I'll show you some tools you get for free once you purchase a membership. Here's an example of a book that was written using this app. As you can see, it's been written with the H1 and H2 and H3 and H4 tags. Let me highlight this book and copy it into this template which we provide free of charge. This is a 6x9 template which is perfect for Amazon books. You paste all of the content into the third page over here, and you will find that it's already formatted. Then you click on the contents over here, click on this button and click on contents. Then you will see that it's organized in a very organized way. Can you see how each chapter has its own point, and also the sub-chapters are written in a different way? These are H2 and H1 tags. This file is actually ready to be posted into Amazon KDP. It's as simple as that. Let me show you how to get this file. When you're ready, when the book is done, you click on this button here. It will open up all of this. This shows you how many credits you have. This is an explainer video. And when you click on extra tools here, you'll find that there is a KDP file which you can download. It's the template which will let you start submitting to Amazon. Thank you for watching. This was Book in a Click. Bye for now.